Class 10 NCERT Physics questions answer. 17th question. If a lens and a spherical mirror both have a focal length of minus 15 centimeter, then it may be concluded that. Answer for this question is both are concave is the correct answer. Next question. An optical device forms an erect image of an object placed in front of it. If the size of the image is one of that of the object, the optical device is a convex mirror is the correct answer. A student determines the focal length of a device A by focusing the image of a far off object on a screen placed on the opposite side of the object. The device A is convex lens is the correct answer. When light is incident on a glass slab, the incident ray, refracted ray and the emergent ray are in three media A, B and C. If N1, N2 and N3 are the refractive indices of A, B and C respectively, and the emergent ray is parallel to the incident ray, which of the following is true? Option fourth option is correct. N1 equal to N3 less than N2. The image of a candle flame formed by a lens is formed on a screen placed on the other side of the lens. According to new Cartesian sign convention, if the image is 3 times the size of the flame, then the lens is option C, convex and magnification -3 is the correct answer. The power of a combination of two lenses in contact one diopter. If the focal length of the one of the lens of the combination is 20 centimeter, the focal length of the other lens would be -25 centimeter is the correct answer. When a ray of light passes through a glass prism, it suffers two refractions. During these refractions, the ray bends towards the base in both the cases is the correct answer. To an astronaut, the sky on the moon appears dark because there is no atmosphere on the surface of the moon. Option B is the correct answer. Study the diagram given below and identify the type of the lens XX dash and the position of the point on the principal axis O dash where the image of the object AB appears to be formed. Option B, concave between O and Y image forms is the correct answer. The image of an object placed in front of a concave mirror of the focal length 15 cm is of the same size as that of the object. The distance between the object and its image is 0 is the correct answer. An object of height 3 cm is placed vertically on the principal axis of a convex lens when the object distance is -37.5 cm. An image of height -2 cm is formed at a distance of 25 cm from the lens. Next, the same object is placed vertically at 25 cm from the lens. In this situation, the image distance V and height h of the image according to new Cartesian conversion. For this answer, V equal to 37.5, h equal to -4.5. Option C is the correct answer. The relation between R equal to 2F is valid for both concave and convex mirrors are correct. Option D is correct. A lens has a power of 4 diopter. It is convex lens of focal length 0.25 centimeter, 0.25 meter is the correct answer. An object is placed in front of a concave lens for all position of the object. The image formed is always virtual, diminished and erect is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. The twinkling of star is due to atmospheric refraction is the correct answer. Fourth option is the correct answer. The location of the sun when Krish observed a rainbow was behind him is the first option correct. The phenomenon of 57th question A is correct. 58th question, the phenomenon of light involved in the formation of a rainbow or refraction, dispersion, total internal reflection. So option B is the correct. 59th question, in the formation of rainbow, the role of water droplet present in the water fountain is to act as a prism is the correct answer. While entering a water droplet, the sunlight gets refracted and dispersed is the correct answer. In next video, I will explain detailed manner for all the questions. Shortly will be uploaded with a detailed explanation for all these questions.